And then, as part of your duties working for the Clark County District Attorney's Office, did you also receive video from the courtroom proceedings in this case?
I did.
And did you receive that one view from a television network and another view that you synced up?
Yes, I did.
And how do you do that?
I used Adobe Premiere Pro. I took both videos, entered them into the same timeline, and then set them side by side and synced them up so that they played. It's the same video. It's the same video from different angles.
And I'm going to approach showing you State's Proposed Exhibit 166. Did you actually put that compilation on a video? And then, I'm sorry, did you put that video on a CD?
I did.
And is this the CD that you put it on?
Yes, it is.
All right. You're all right this time? State's going to move 166 into evidence.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
So admitted.
This time State's going to publish 166.
I have everyone back here at 3:40. Please rise for the jury.
At that time when Reggie Wright Jr. is sitting in front of the witness stand, that Mr. Davis is mouthing words at Reggie Wright Jr.
Yes.
As part of your duties with the Clark County District Attorney's Office, did you also have access to calls that Mr. Davis made since September of 2023?
I do. I did.
And did I ask you to review some of those calls?
You did.
And did I ask you to clip some portions of those calls for the purpose of a presentation here today?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's been previously marked as State's Exhibit 164. Is this CD the CD that you prepared containing those clips of calls?
Yes, it is.
All right, at this time, State's going to move 164 into evidence.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
So admitted.
This time, State's going to publish State's Exhibit 164. We'll go in chronological order. So can we play the 10, 12, 23?
Yeah, everything gonna play out for me. Everything gonna be cool. They just trying to use the words I said against me, but they can't do that shit. So.
Well, shit, they trying it.
Well. I didn't break the thing that fucking Greg hated the thing. Shit.
I just wish you would have never did, dog. You know, just let that. You would probably have been in jail. No, I forgot. I just wish you would have never talked to that man. You know.
Yeah, you're right. I know. I should have just went on and did that little.
Stop doing all them interviews and that. Just never did none of that shit. Just I should have said whatever happened. You know.
Yeah, you're right.
Everybody, that shit all over. All you see on Instagram is that all that. I'm like, damn, this shit is viral.
Yeah.
Now, Mr. Stoehr, you've listened to this calls maybe one or two or more times. Is that fair?
That's fair.
In terms of editing it, is it fair to say that while some of the audio is a little bit garbled, upon hearing it a number of times, you're able to discern some of the words that are being stated?
Yes.
And is it fair to say that Mr. Davis says they're trying to use my words against me?
Yes.
And that he says, I didn't break the thing, Greg Kading broke the thing?
Yes.
Okay. Now can we play the next call at 10:21:23?
Yeah, they ain't got shit. They trying to use my statements against me. You're gonna lose, dude. I was paid to say that, stupid ass dude. Yeah.
Okay.
I was paid to say that, stupid motherfucker. You can't use my shit against me, you stupid.
And then what's this book they say you wrote?
Yeah, I did. After that dude did that, I didn't breach that contract. He did.
Okay.
Made money off Carrot Top. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, bitch. He had my life. I clawed up under a rock for 6 years. And I just got tired of it. You know what I'm saying? Let them know the truth. Bitch, you ain't just got me, motherfucker. You around me got you for me. That dirt rock called him, son of a... You know?
Wow.
Yeah. Even my boy Jerome down the street from you. Little Rizal, all of them. Oh, like, damn. You know, that's, you know?
And similarly, have you listened to this call more than one time?
I have.
And is it fair to say that Mr. Davis says they're trying to use my words against me?
Yes.
And in fairness, Mr. Davis, he does say, "I was paid to say those words."
Yes.
And then he says, when he's asked about what's that book you wrote, he says, "Yeah, I wrote that book."
Yes.
And then later on, he says I'm going to quote, "Let know the truth."
Yes.
Okay. And then he later on says, regarding Greg Kading, "You didn't get me," and then says some people who actually did get him.
Yes.
Okay. Can we play the 11-9-23?
Deadline. So I'm gonna call Edie. I'm gonna call him today, and then when you call me later on tonight or tomorrow, I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Love, my bro.
All right. I'm looking out for you, big dog. All right.
Once I get home, man, we rich.
Oh, of course. Of course.
All right, I got to tell Keith, dude, you know, don't throw that. If we be mad, the mother with 10 years later, next series still going. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah. Make us want to, you know, I got to tell that nigga, I got blood on my money. All right, what's up, bro? Okay.
All right, big dog. All right. Talk to you later. Peace.
Similarly, had you listened to this call a number of times?
Yes.
Is it fair to say that Mr. Davis says, "I have blood on my money"?
Correct.
And then the last call from July 5th, 2024.
I was born way before that dude. And I was way out there before him, dude. I know Easy and Dr. Ray and put them on, mother. Don't need this little. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Pick up in fucking prison and get fucked in the ass. Fucking nighttime. Police and all that, raping little girls, jumping on little kids in the fucking hallway of the fucking casino. And that dude's a piece of shit. You know?
Yeah, bro, they making this shit way with it, like,
Straight.
talking about your icon. Well, yeah.
Icon, my ass. I don't want none of my kids like that.
Okay, and similar to the previous three calls, have you listened to this call a number of times?
Yep.
And is it fair to say that well, he says a lot, but in particular, he says he's complaining about somebody jumping on little kid in the casino, in the hallway of the casino, that he's a piece of.
Yes.
Court's indulgence. State will pass the witness.
All right, Mr. Stamp, cross-examination.
No cross-time.
Ladies and gentlemen, any of the jury, any questions for this witness? Seeing none, thank you, Mr. Stoehr. You're free to go. State who's your next witness.
Judge reserving the right to confirm with the clerk that everything that we've offered has been admitted. At this point, the state will rest.
Do you want to come up and review it, or have you already done
I've
it?
checked. It's just the last three exhibits actually is the last one we're going to confirm.
Okay.
Can we address 31?
Oh, yes, I forgot to address 31. So 31 was a duplicate.
Okay.
So we never offered 31. We just need to make a record that 31 was a duplicate of, you know what exhibit it is? Of 30. Yeah, it's a duplicate of 30.
Okay.
So the clerk asked me to put that
So
on.
31 should just be blank. There should be no exhibit attached to that.
Well, it's marked as a proposed exhibit. It's just not admitted
Correct.
as a duplicate.
Okay, sounds good. Defense, we're moving into your case in chief.
Yeah, maybe a question.
You may.